Hi Crafty Angels, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you're here. My name is Vanessa. I hope you're having a great day today. I'm here to show you the kit for my next project. This kit is by Paper Romia and it is called the Lavender Seahorse. Okay, so this kit has 10 double pages and 20 prints. Okay. It's perfect for journals, scrapbooks, art journals, card making, whatever you want to make. Okay. Right now you can get this kit on sale while the sale is on for 20% off. Okay. Let me get into showing y'all what it is. This is the Lavender Seahorse. We have our pockets, our tags here. Look how they have the water. Here's the seahorse, all the vibrant colors. Here's a betta fish. This is an envelope here. We have another envelope here. Now, I printed some of it on cardstock, some of it on regular printer paper, okay? We got ephemeras here. We got pockets and some tags here. This you can use, I use for pockets and or file folders, okay? Now here is the double pages, aka if you fold it over, you have a journal page with a picture on each side, okay? So that's one. I love the way they have it to where it has texture here. This is like a plastered wall. That's what I'm getting from it, okay? That's exactly what I'm getting from it here. To me, it looks like the sun is setting on the water. I like that. See this splattered? It looks like it's been plastered. I love that look. This is a great kit. I'm liking it. Then we got the seahorse with some gold trim and a little unicorn horn there. Okay. Now I will put the link to this kit down below in the description box so you can go on over and put it there. Okay, you can go ahead and get this kit. I like this one. Has a jellyfish. See the little unicorn horn there? Not all of them have it. But I like the attention to detail that they have. Now this is printed, a couple of my pages are printed twice. Okay? So you might see them twice, maybe more. I don't know. See how pretty that is? Now these are ephemeras. You have your tabs here. You have some little inserts here. But I have an idea for this one and this one. We shall see. Here's an envelope. Here's another. This, I got it printed twice like I told y'all. Okay, a lot of it's printed twice. So, you know, let me see here. Get this all evened out. And this is it for the showcase of the printable here. So like I said, this is 20% off while supplies last in their shop. So you can find the description down below. You will also find the link to this kit over in my Facebook group, AngelRose Crafters United to Craft. You can find it on Facebook. I will link that also below. So I got you guys. Don't worry. So if you haven't done so yet, please hit that red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe, be positive, and I will see you all in the next video. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. Now go make something pretty.